guys, it's going to be a walk around of a John Deere 240 DLC excavator. Just going to go over and start with the bucket here. It's a cold day out. Our bucket is a 5-tooth bucket. It's an ordinary bucket. Has no quick coupler. It's just, there's your pins, and you take this bolt out here, and then you take that one out there, and then your bucket would come off. There's a lifting hook right there, well, and then there's your linkage right there, and your cylinder to curl the bucket. It has no auxiliary hydraulics, and there's a stick, and there's a cylinder up on top there to move the stick in and out. There's your deer sign. Right here. In here, you have these little things right there. Those are horns. And then these are your cylinders right here. And this is your undercarriage. That's your circle right there. Your tracks. They have triple grouser track pads right there. And there's your step to get up on it. There's your draw sprocket right there. And I'm gonna see if this is open. I don't know if it is or not. No, it's not open. It's too bad. It's locked. There's 240 DLC. There's your counterweight. Operator. Stay clear. Your deer decal. More over here. There's your engine compartment. I'm going to take you up to the top of the machine now. We're going to see a view of that. There's a mirror. There's your engine compartment in there. Your smokestack, your hydraulic and fuel intake. Well, there's your fuel intake there. And there's your swing gear down in there. And there's your hydraulics going out the boom. And there's the cab in there. And stuff. Down out of this. Okay. This is a 270D right there. That one has a quick coupler on it, as you can see. I should have got one of that one, but because it's more interesting, but I'm not going to, because I already have a Deere excavator walk around right now. There's no difference, only that one there's a bit bigger. There's your cab again. There's your safety lever right there and stuff. Okay, guys, and oh yeah, and this is your radiator in here. Your fans right over there and up there. But anyways, like I said, this is a walk around of a John Deere 240 DLC excavator. See ya.